Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we are here again with another foundation Friday, and this lucky baby is from ORCÉ Cosmetics. I do have some opinions about that, but we'll jump into this, when we do the foundation. So if you want to see how this baby works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like
Okay, so we're back. I know, cute kind of halo look. And let's talk about Miss ORCÉ or whatever that name is. So let's jump into this. So we're talking about this foundation right here. And I did say I have some tea about it, but let's talk. So this foundation is $89. 89. You heard me, $89. And they only have 6 shades. I am the darkest shade. The regular one for with ongs. So a little information about this. This serum foundation hybrid diminishes visible imperfections, smooths uneven texture, and provides a youthful, radiant finish while working to improve the appearance of skin over time. Whatever level of coverage you're looking for, the breathable, buildable formula blends seamlessly onto skin for a truly undetectable finish, silky yet oil-free. It features our proprietary concoction of powerful skincare ingredients chosen to address skin concerns such as dehydration, hyperpigmentation, oiliness and blemishes, loss of radiance, and signs of aging. So this is like a lot of claims, right? And then they have Tahiti and Pearl to target hyperpigmentation. They have hyaluronic acid to hydrate, firm, and plump the skin. And they have Evodia Rutacapa to boost radiance, improve texture, and helps prevent skin from environmental stresses. Yeah. Let's talk about the shade range, right? So I actually commented on the Facebook page, and somebody, I guess an employee or whoever, commented, and they're like, oh yeah, so I was like, this is not enough dark shades, right? All light shades, as a matter of fact. I mean, there's literally 6 shades. But she's like, oh yeah, the darker shade has a huge range. To who? Like who? Like I think this might be even a little bit light for me. So let's test this foundation out. Let's see. So this is how this foundation looks on me. I'm using my flawless brush. So it's not too light, I don't think. I don't know. Let's see. So this is shade 6, which is Lura, L-U-R-A, but it is literally the darkest shade. I know what she said, but I don't even know if I'm like quite sure what she meant by that, saying, oh well, this shade have a huge range.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
For who? Like, if you're just a little bit darker than me, this won't match. Like, I don't understand what she mean by it has a huge range. It's almost like, the people that make like the contour palettes, and they're like, oh yeah, it's for everybody. No, because something that like contours me, or I need to contour, it's gonna be too dark for somebody that's like pale, light, or super darker than me. Like it's not gonna work. So this nonsense about one shade for everybody. She didn't say it was one shade for everybody, but she said this shade, which is the shade I'm using, shade 6, has a large shade range. I wish I had like, I don't know, copy that comment, because I'm like, girl, if that's what your company told you to say, they need to come better than that. So yeah, so this shade matches me, but I try not to do like foundations like this on my channel or just not really like foundation. Well, foundation, I think that's where most, what the word I'm using for, right, that I feel like the opportunities are missed to like really be like inclusive, you know. Eyeshadows can be like that too, but there's so many different eyeshadow brands. I just kind of stay away from those. But I really wanted to talk about this foundation because no, it is not the business, and it is not. So it's so nice though. It's so like it's perfect. They have a nice little glow, nothing too crazy, and it just makes the skin like look like skin. Like you have foundation, but not really. But I don't know. I don't like the, you know, not being inclusive thing. That gets to me. So I'm gonna use my ABH. This foundation, oh my god, it's so pretty. But I don't even want to love it too much. Cause I don't like the whole, you know, 6 shades idea. And not only that, even if you're even my complexion, there's no guarantee that this is even gonna work for you if you don't have the same undertone. Because that's what people don't understand sometimes, that even if we have the same shade or the same complexion, sorry, not shade, oops, complexion, that doesn't mean we have the same undertone. Doesn't mean so. But this is pretty. This is so pretty. Please, let's say, but don't love it. Ah. I can't love it. I can't love it. I can't. Okay, so this is how everything is laying on this foundation. This foundation is beautiful. Like how it sits, how everything sits on it. I had no issues with anything blending or anything like that. I will, you know, wear the foundation as usual. I'll give you 2 check-ins during the day, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the foundation, how it lasts, because we know it looks pretty, but does it last, does it crease, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys later.
I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice.
Hi guys, so I am doing my first check-in. Oh my god, so this looks really good, but I kind of knew it was already gonna look really good because, you know, it's so amazing. It is so pretty. But yeah, everything still looks really good. This is my first check-in. I maybe been wearing this foundation for maybe 2 hours. We're trying to find a breakfast place. Everywhere's kind of full because this is like, you know, trendy Austin. So yeah, this is my first check-in. Everything looking great. I will give you guys one more check-in and my final thoughts at the end of the night. Talk to you guys later.
I don't wanna pretend, you just get who I am. Almost feel like we're fam. Think it's time that we try something money can't buy. You and me should go dance, maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in. Foundation is doing something here, but right here, that's where I was wearing my sunglasses because it's super hot. So I was wearing sunglasses. My curls are dropping, but you know, we won't think about that too much. But yeah, the foundation is still looking really good, you know, because I'm still out on the streets in Texas and it is so hot. I think it's like 95 degrees today. So yeah, it's still pretty hot, but I still feel everything's looking good. I love how it's looking. I like my hair like this, you know. But yeah, love it. Love this foundation. You know, wish they had a little bit more shade, but you already know. We spoke about that, and somebody's, you know, driving and making a whole ton of noise. But that's it, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts later.
Do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain.
Hi guys, so I'm back. See, I'm back. So, oh, I think I'm on the side, right? Okay, maybe am I on the side? Okay, so let's talk about this. You know, Miss, I don't know, I feel like I'm on the side. Okay, see, I am on the side. Okay, that's better. So let's talk about Miss ORCÉ. You know, ORCÉ. So let's look at this foundation closely. So I do have a little bit of separation, as I said in one of my follow-ups, but that's fine because I was wearing my sunglasses and it's like linen right here, so that's why. And it's hot, so everything is kind of moving. I do have a little bit of gathering right here. It is settling in my smile line, see? It is right there. You can see I do have a little, like, you know, kind of settlation going on. But apart from that, is the foundation terrible? No. However, you already know how we think about that shade range. 6 shades is ridiculous. I feel like they need to have more shades, be more inclusive, whether it's lighter, middle, darker. Like, we just need more shades. We need more shades for the girls, because there's girls I know that's like super light, and there's girls that are super dark. Nothing wrong with either. I just think they need to be more inclusive. So that's it, guys, for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend. I don't wanna pretend.